We are here today to look at the Graco 4Ever DLX 4-in-1 convertible car seat. Fun fact, this car seat has been the #1 car seat on BabyCenter for the past 3 years. People love this car seat. Let's get into some of the features. First, the safety features. Graco Protect Plus Engineered helps to protect your little one in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. Simply Safe Adjust Harness System. Headrest and harness adjust together. This is a 4-in-1 car seat, so it will grow with your child. You can use the same car seat from birth to 10 years, up to 120 pounds. The 4Ever is really the only car seat you will ever need. Let's look at the 4 configurations. Rear-facing configuration, 4 to 40 pounds. Forward-facing configuration, 22 to 65 pounds. Highback booster, 40 to 100 pounds. Backless booster, 40 to 120 pounds. This car seat has lots of adjustments that can be made to help get the perfect fit for your child as they grow. 10-position adjustable headrest, 6-position recline. The cover is removable without removing the seat from your car for an easy washing.